Welcome today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE2, and I'll show you how to customize watermark on this device. So first we should go into the camera application, and now I'll show you the currently watermarks, that the default watermarks if you just activate the watermark on your device. And now just to customize the watermark, we should go here on the three dots icon, tap into the settings and click here to the watermark. Here you can see that we got here the add watermark to photos, to videos, and to photos or videos. So you can add only to photos, only to videos the watermarks, and to both photos and videos together. Here we got the example of our watermarks right now. Here we can also add the custom text, for example the hard reset. Click here to save. So here we'll set the just this the shot on OnePlus by hard reset. We can turn it off, this option, to don't say which device it is. So also we can here the location, so tap here to the location icon, and also we can add the date and time here. So now we'll go back into the camera mode and we'll set our customized watermark taken by hard reset today, and date and time. You can see the current date and time when the picture was taken. So that's it. That's how to customize watermarks on our OnePlus Nord CE2. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.